Join me as I unbox the iPhone 16 Pro Max and decide if it's really worth the upgrade in 2024. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is finally here, and I'm excited to dive in and explore everything it has to offer. As one of the most highly anticipated devices of 2024, it's crucial to ask the important questions. Is it worth the investment, and what exactly sets it apart from its predecessors? When it comes to upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, one of the biggest concerns on everyone's mind is the cost. With a hefty price tag, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Another common question is whether the new features and upgrades are significant enough to warrant the switch. Let's dig deeper and explore some of the common concerns that might be holding you back from taking the plunge. You might be wondering if the iPhone 16 Pro Max is more of an incremental update rather than a game changer. Maybe you're curious about the battery life, or perhaps you're curious about the camera capabilities and whether they live up to the hype. Whatever your concerns, we'll address them in this video, so stay tuned. One thing's for sure, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is an investment, and you want to make sure it's worth every penny. With so many options available in the market, it's essential to make an informed decision. So, let's get started and see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max truly lives up to its promise. Alright, let's get to the unboxing process. As I open up the packaging, the first thing that catches my attention is the sleek new design. It's clear that Apple has put a lot of thought into the aesthetics of this device. The box itself is minimalistic, with a simple yet elegant design that screams premium quality. As I lift the lid, I'm greeted by the iPhone 16 Pro Max in all its glory. The first thing I notice is the stunning new display, which looks even more vibrant and colors more accurate than its predecessors. The phone feels solid in my hand with a subtle weight that exudes quality. One of the first things I want to check out is the new camera system. Apple has promised significant upgrades in this department, and I'm excited to see if they deliver. As I examine the camera module, I notice that it's slightly larger than before with a more prominent bump. This should allow for even better image quality and more features. The eagle-eyed among you might have noticed that the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a new charging cable. This new cable is faster and more efficient, which is a welcome upgrade. It's these little touches that show Apple's attention to detail and commitment to delivering a seamless user experience. The standout feature of the iPhone 16 Pro Max has to be its camera capabilities. With a quad camera setup including a new telephoto lens, Apple has promised even better image quality and more flexibility when it comes to photography. But what really caught my attention is the new feature that allows for even better low-light performance. We've all been there, trying to take a decent photo in a dimly lit room, only to end up with a blurry or grainy mess. But with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, those days are behind us. The new camera system is capable of capturing stunning images even in the most challenging lighting conditions. This is a game changer for anyone who loves photography or wants to capture memories on the go. Another area where the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines is battery life. Apple has promised an extra hour of use compared to the previous model, which is a significant upgrade. But what does this mean in real-world usage? Can you get away with using your phone all day without needing to recharge? We'll explore this further in a future video. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the upgrade in 2024? Let's recap the main points we've discussed. We've touched on the common concerns surrounding the upgrade, explored the unboxing process, and highlighted some of the standout features of this device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. And if you want to see more content like this, check out my other video on the top 5 tech trends to watch in 2024.